teach me what it knows. The trees whisper secrets to the sky. Roots hold tight while dreams fly high. Blossoms bloom where my shadows fall. Green to golden, a nature's call. Raindrops dance on thirsty leaves, unfolding stories the garden weaves. Under the sun where the wild things grow, life owns a tune that the heart just knows. Petals shimmer while the breezes sway, breathing in the song of yesterday. I cannot